चंद्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय सद्भक्ताय नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदाय प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya-lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Sapasya Srimanto, Vedanta Siddhavananda Shri Maharaj, and Nitya-lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Sapasya Vedanta Siddhavananda Shri Maharaj. 17th offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya-lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Sapasya Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Dr. Siddhar Guru Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnava Vaishnavi presented all of my respectful guests. So yesterday, it was very nicely attended Krishna Janma Leela Katha. Sukadeva Goswami Pad completely absorbed Braj Leela Katha. For this regard, in Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukadeva Goswami Pad also quoted one verse. Krishna's also many avatar Leela Katha. Krishna manifested many incarnations. Matsya means fish, incarnation of fish. That is called Matsya Avatar Katha. Kurma Avatar Katha, the incarnation of tortoise. Varaha Avatar Leela Katha, the incarnation of his pig. Many Avatar Leela Katha also. Even Nrsimha Ram Leela Katha also. Many Leela Katha is spoken. Our time is very short, not so easy to speak all cantos, all Katha. Just some main Katha we also touch. A Sanskrit word that is called Vihangam Drishti. Vihangam Drishti means, do you understand? No. Vihangam Drishti means the vision of bird. Yeah? the vision of bird. Okay. One kinds of bird, they are also catching the fish. Okay. That fish, that bird's name is called Machranga. Machranga means Bengali word. Machranga. Machranga means that fish, they are expert to how to catch the fish. And they are sitting on the branches of the tree, but their eyes one pointed and with the water. When the fish coming, then very quickly and flow and to catch the fish. So in the same way, this proverb is called Brihangam Dishti. Because we cannot to explain Krishna's all avatar lila katha. Srimad Bhagavatam Sukadeva Goswami Pad spoke. Need types of also Srota also. Srota means listeners. And if I too much, 2 or 3 hours, then you cannot digest one by one also going here and there. Yesterday noticed little bit too late, then devotee usually go when you finish. Huh?
Yes.
So, Krishna in this way, he performs many leelas in Braj. So yesterday we discussed about Krishna's which leela? Janma leela katha. And one is called Janma and another is called Avirbhav. Avirbhav means appearance, and Janma means birth. Janma. Right? Bhagavan, he appears any place, anywhere. But birth, Janma Lila, that time his parents. Yatha Lokavattu Lila Kaivalam. He performs Lila as like human being. This is Krishna, Vrindavan Samsundar or Jasodanandan. This is his specialty. Lokavattu Lila Kaivalam. That means his lila as like human being. That is called Naralila. Krishna Jate Khela Sarvottam Naralila Naravapu Tahara Saru Gopavis Venukar Navakisur Natavar Naralilar Hoy Anuru Krishna Saru Vichar Sunasanatan Advaigan Tapta Braje Brajendranandan Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught to Sanatan. Sanatan, listen, Krishna Tapta Katha. Who is Krishna? He is called Advaigan Paratattva. Advai means he is a non-dual. He is one, unique, unparalleled. Not Dayam, iti Advayam. And he is called non-dual. Advaigan, and he is a Paratattva. He is called the absolutely truth. Then he is unique, unparalleled. But he is Achinta Sakti. He is inconceivable potency. He manifests many forms. Many is avatar. Avatara, Bali, Ram, Nishinga, Varaha. Kalki, in this way he manifests many avatars. And he manifests many his dham, Vaikuntha, Ajudha, Dwaraka, Mathura, and Goro, Vrindavan. In this way, Krishna, he performs his Leela. Leela Vattu Leela Kaivalam. He is called Leeladhari. Leela Purushottam. He is Sarva Avatari, Brahma, Shiva, Narada, always paying obeisances unto the But he performed, he will Leela as like and in Manav Lila. So for the Krishna Jate Kela Sarvattam Naralila, Krishna manifests many forms of his incarnation, that is true. But his topmost Lila, that is called Krishna Lila. Dibhuja Muralidhara Syama Sundara. 2 hands and also playing the flute. Very nice, beautiful, romantic, succulent glance and captivated heart of all the living entities. And if anybody see his beautiful form, then he completely lose everything. Bandhu sange jadi tab rang parihas thake abhilas thake abhilas thake abhilas thake abhilas bandhu sange jadi tab rang parihas are bandhu sange jadi tab rang parihas thake abhilas thake abhilas abhi moy pathari ko Mathura ke seete sandhale rangata sange jali tava ranga parila bandhu sange jali tava ranga parila ranga parila jabe moy katha dekho devnako Thakur sang this song. If you want to enjoy the material sense gratification with your family members, wife, children, or others, so listen my advice. Don't go Mathura. If you go Mathura, don't go Vrindavan. If you go Vrindavan, don't go Jaguna. If you go the Jaguna, don't go Kesighat. If you go Kesighat in Vrindavan, don't go the temple of Govinda Dev. If you go the temple of Govinda Dev, then I am giving the red marks. What is that red marks? Be careful. In the temple of Govinda Dev, that big cheater person is there. Dekhile nahi na here, keha nahi ghare phire, sikhi chuda ke bhai. Nakaro Vishwas. Big cheater person is there. Just with his romantic sadness glance and captivate your heart. तिरछी नजरों के द्वारा सबको घायल कर देते हैं. ब्रजवासी they are singing, they are saying, तिरछी नजरों के द्वारा सबको घायल कर देते हैं. With his sadness glance, he completely to captivate the heart of the living entities. And as like cruel hunter with his very sharp arrows and shooted the deer, and the deer that time you are captivated. Chakpatati rahti. And that means deer stuck to flipping. Then flipping. Sucking the body. In the same way that cruel person, very cruel person. Who? Krishna, Tribhanga Lalit. His form is very beautiful. He speaks very sweet words, plays the flute, but in his heart completely full of poison. So dekhile nayane here, keho nahi ghare phire, grihiro sansare jego hoy sarvanas. And kiba chura sire, kiba bamsi kare, kiba se tribhangatam. How is it beautiful his turban? Or on the turban, very nice, beautiful peacock flash. And he keeps flute on his hand. Sometimes he also keeps his fruit on his lips. Very beautiful. Very nice, beautiful, reddish color leaves. And very soft also, as like ripened bimbo fruits. Other Ushtam. And especially here, very nice smiling spirits also. Very nice. So, if you want to go Vrindavan, and if you want to cry, so you can go Vrindavan and sit with him. Again you will not return back your home. Kiva choda siri, kiva bhamsi kare, kiva sitri bhangatam, sadayasa kare, bhingarupa dhari, charane no puradam. Hari bolbo yaar, Madan Mohan, Brajer pathe chali bago. Hari bolbo yaar, Madan Mohan. When my that day will come, I will go Vrindavan and chant what name? Hari bolbo yaar, Madan Mohan. Brajer pathe chali bago. Chant name of Madan Mohan. Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Sanmanohari, Radha Giridhari Sanmanohari, Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Sanmanohari. Take darshan to Govinda, then your heart will be captivated by him. Then you only cry for Radhe Radhe. You took darshan to Krishna. I chant which name? Why not Krishna? But Vrindavan don't want no one like Krishna. So you no. I will not chant Krishna name. I will chant which name? Radhe. राधे राधे जपेंगे चल आएंगे राधे राधे जपेंगे ओ राधे राधे जपेंगे चल आएंगे बिहारी राधे 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 Janam janam mohiyo, Vrindavan Gopal. Radha mein Vrindavan Gopal. Janam janam mohiyo, Vrindavan Gopal. Radha performs human being lila in Vrindavan. That is called Manav Lila. He is called unborn or Janma, unborn. But he takes birth from the womb who is Mother Jashoda. So Krishna, he performs at a time two Leelas. One is called Avirbhav Leela. Avirbhav means appearance. And at a time he performs his Janama Leela. He takes birth from the womb of Mother Jashoda. So our Gaudiya Vaishnava Siddhanta, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Jiva Goswami Pad and others, Rasik Vaishnava, they explain. Krishna, he appears in the jail of Kamsa, and from the womb of Devaki. Or in Vrindavan Gokul, Krishna, he takes birth, Janma, from the womb of Mother Jashoda. Yesterday I told you when Krishna took birth from the womb of Mother Jashoda, that time his umbilical cord connected with the womb of Mother Jashoda. And that time was an auspicious time. That time Nanda Maharaj, he called the Brahmanas. Ahuta Viprana, he called the Brahmana and performed this Janama Sanskar ceremony. First that is called umbilical cut. That Sanskrit is Nadi Chedanam. This. But in the jail of Kamsa, there is no this types of sanskar. Krishna just appeared and he told, hey Devaki, Vasudev, look my Vishnu form. And I promise to you that 3 births I will become your son. So I remind to you also. And first I was your son, that is called Prishni Garbha, and that time both you were called Prishni and Sutlapa. Second time also you were mentioned in the form of Kasyap and Aditi, and that time I manifested in my form, that is called Vamandev Avatar. Very nice, beautiful katha also, Vamandev Avatar katha. And Bali Vaman Avatar. Very beautiful katha also. Our time is very short. Every katha, every incarnation katha, not possible to. Today also the Raj Govardhan katha, many kathas, Krishna's many pastimes. Then third birth, and you are same. Then Prishni Sutapa now appeared in the form of Devaki and Vasudev. Now I am giving my darshan, Vishnu form, and everybody will call me, what call? Yesterday I told. Vasudeva Krishna. Vasudeva. Namo Vasudevaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namo. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Vasudevaya Nanda Nanda Naya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vasudevaya Nanda Nanda Naya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Everybody call me Vasudeva Krishna. And Nanda Nandanaya, I am the son of also Nanda Maharaj. That means I am the son of Nanda Maharaj in Gokul or in Mathura. Everybody call me Vasudeva Krishna, the son of Vasudeva. This is the reconciled. Actually, Krishna Amsena, partly he appeared or took birth from the womb of Mother Devaki, or completely, absolutely, Sampurna Rupena, and he took birth from the womb of Mother Yashoda. Because Sukadeva Goswami quoted this verse, this look. Angsena. Angsena means Baladeva Sahena. Krishna Angsena. There are two words, Sanskrit word, even Krishna Angsena, but Krishna partly he took birth in Mathura from the womb of Mother Devaki. Or Angsena Baladev Sahena. That means Krishna, he also took birth in Mathura and with his brother Baladev Prabhu. Sanskrit word. Because Sanskrit word you can change different Vikarat Vibhakti, then different meaning will come. But actual real meaning is that Krishna completely, absolutely, he birthed from the womb of Mother Yashoda. So, they say everybody called me Vasudeva Krishna in Mathura, or in Vrindavan, Gokul, everybody will call me Nanda Krishna, the son of Nanda Maharaj. So now coming in this way, there are many philosophy, tattva, siddhanta in our Vaishnava scriptures, Vaishnava Shastra. So Krishna, he took birth from the womb of Mother Yashoda. Then Nanda Maharaj, he gave so many donations to the Brahmanas. He gave donation to cows, Godan, to all the Brahmanas. And he gave fruits and rice, dal, everything, and clothes, everything to the Brahmana. And well, how possible? For Krishna took birth, who automatically what? His Hladini Shakti, Srimati Radhika is there. So Deva Goswami path very tricky. He also explained this way, hidden way, he explained. The Sarva Lakshmi Mai Srimati Radhika, she is there. When Krishna took birth in Braj, at that time Lakshmi Devi is there. Lakshmi means Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika is the Sarva Lakshmi Mai Srimati Radhika. Devi Sarvamai, Devi Krishna. Krishna Devi Devi Krishna Bhakta Radhika Paradevata Sarva Lakshmi Sarvamai Para Gautamiya Tantra. Sarva Lakshmi or Srimati Radhika. That means Srimati Radhika, she is the source of all Lakshmis. And she is the source of all incarnate Mahisis. She is the source of all, and Gopis also is. So Sarva Lakshmi is Srimati Radhika. Gopi Gita also explain this. Gopis they also say this. Chayati te odhikam janmana braja srayata indira sasvataptari tarita dikshatam dikshitavaka saidita adava vang vijinnate Chayati te odhikam janmana braja srayata indira Sasamatrahi Tarita Dikshata Dikshata Vata Kaitita Sava Vrindavan is very famous. Why? Because Krishna, he performs his Janma Lila. Vaikuntha Janito Vara Madhupuri Tatravi Rasutsava Vrindarana Mudravali Frami Govardhana. Prabhu Goswami Pad explained this. Vaikuntha Janito Vara Madhupuri. Madhupuri means Mathurapuri. Mathurapuri is higher than Vaikuntha. But Vrindavan is higher than Mathura. Because Krishna performs sweet his Leela, Rasa Leela. Then Giriraj Govardhan, higher than Vrindavan. Because Krishna performs sweet almost pastimes on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan, and he also lifted Giriraj Govardhan. Then Radha Kunda is topmost place, unique and unparalleled. Radha Kunda is higher than Giriraj Govardhan. Because Radha Kunda and Samkunda is the two eyes of Giriraj Govardhan. So in this way, our Acharyas, Vaishnava Acharyas, Guru Parampara, Rasik Acharyas very nicely glorify Krishna, many sweet pastimes. Now, yesterday I told, then Nanda Maharaj, he called the Brahmana and performed his Janma Sanskar, Nadi Chetame, cutting the umbilical cord, these things. Sanskar, these. In this way, now Nanda Maharaj is thinking, many years I did not pay my taxes to Kamsa. Because Nanda Maharaj was thinking, I have no sons, no daughters, why I will pay the taxes to Kamsa? If Kamsa wants, he will take my kingdom, no. But when Krishna took birth, then Nanda Maharaj thinking, I have to pay taxes to Kamsa, otherwise Kamsa will take my kingdom. Nandagam or Gokula. For this regard, Nanda Maharaj, he prepared to pay the taxes to Kamsa. In this way, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, first, then 6 days come. According to Vedic culture, his body, baby 6 days, that time one kind of, that is called the ceremony. That is called Chatwa ceremony, 6 days ceremony. This is going on. But Nanda Maharaj, early in the morning, he left Gokul and he went to pay his taxes to Kamsa in Mathura. Now here, yesterday I told, Kamsa day and night is thinking, my killer Vishnu, he took birth somewhere. Because his Ishtadevi, what is Ishtadevi? Kankali or Durga. She told, for his Kamsa, how possible you kill to me? Your killer being Vishnu. He already took birth in somewhere. So from that day, Kamsa's mind very disturbed. He called all his associates of Bakasur, Bakasur, Tinavarta. Understand? Is the nature. And how we know he is a good person or bad person? No stamp. No stamp. In your body, no stamp. I am good person or I am bad person. Have you stamp? How do you know which good person, bad person? A person will be known according to his association. Smoker, associate with those who are smoking ganja bhang. Those who are taking ganja bhang, understand? You know everything. Those who are taking ganja bhang, they are looking who is taking ganja bhang. Sometimes they are going to Himalaya. Our devotee told how to do. Mother, I cannot give up my bad habits. What is your bad habit? What is it called? Marijuana. How do you know? They are the people. You don't know their language, the sadhus. Maharaj, when you go automatically feel. That type of sadhu also. Automatically the eyes of vision, they can understand. Pardon? They, with their vision, they understand which kinds of people they are. And they will help to you. Ganja, bhang, understand? In their pocket also what? Matches. You know matches? What is it? Light. Why they are putting the lighter? Sometimes you go to airport, they also ask you. They have not asked you are taking ganja bhang or not. But they will ask, have you in your pocket a lighter? They are very clever. They never ask to you, have your lighter, you are taking ganja bhang or not? But they will ask, have you lighter? Achha, who is keeping the lighter? Those who are smoking. Smoker. Understand? Pujari very rare. But most of those who are taking ganja bhang, sadhus, they are keeping this. So police can understand. Oh, he keeps matches, means he must be smoker. Then you also research to you how to catch it. Then a dog and many things. Checking all your bag, this is where the ganja bhang. So I am saying these things. A person will be known according to his association. Devotee, who is a pure devotee, he will associate with pure devotee. Or who is to be nonsense, he will be looking that nonsense guy. This is the nature. This is the nature. Simple. So, what did I say?
Nanda Maharaj went to Mathura.
6 days. Nanda Maharaj.
Kamsa held a meeting with his associates.
Kamsa, he also meeting with his associates. Yes, because I told Kamsa, who is associators? Parikar. Or Asuras. Kamsa is Asur, demon, and he is also associated also. Demon. Understand? Like father, like son. Good. Same category. So Kamsa, he called his emergency meeting. They discussed. If Vishnu anywhere he took birth. Because my Ishta Devi, Durga, she told me. So how to kill him? Kamsa's mind very disturbed. How to know where is Vishnu took birth? How to know? In the meantime, Putana she came. Her name is called Putna. Put means pure, pavitra. Na means not. That which not pure, that means which completely what? Impure. So for this name, her name is called Putana. Putana Balaghatini. And she is very beautiful. How is she? Her description very difficult to explain. Very ugly. Putana. Fat body. Actually her profound is. And she is very ugly. Srimad Bhagavatam Sukdev Goswami also describe Putana's form, body. She was ugly. Sometimes she also joking. If anybody very ugly, oh, you are as like. But don't tell to anybody, then she will become angry or upset. If you tell to some ugly lady, you say, oh, you are Putana, then she will be very angry. You what will say? Oh, you are very beautiful. Hey, Sundari. Sundari means very beautiful. That is also Putana Balaghatini Rudhirasana. Putana, she kills the newborn baby and sucking their blood. So for this you got so much bad smell coming from her body. What you are eating, that is also going your blood, and that smell will come on it. Simple way. If you eat onion, garlic, then automatically bad smell, onion, garlic smell coming from your body. This simple way. You can see some person also eating onion, garlic. If you speak with him, bad smell coming from his mouth. Very difficult to tolerate for me. Oh my God. Especially in plane. They are servicing the food. Onion, garlic, fish, meat, chicken. What do you call? It's not kind of thing. They are giving chicken. Fish. No, fish not giving. Chicken or giving or beef. Cow meat. And also onion, garlic. So much bad smell coming. International flight. 8 to 9 hours, 10 hours. This is thinking, oh, this is completely what? As like Naraka. Because 10 hours sitting in the same smell. Understand? Onion, garlic, and also drinking wine, alcohol. So I am the Putana Balaghatini Rudhirasana. This is his qualification. Understand? Everybody nice qualification. What is the qualification of Putana? Balaghatini. She kills the newborn baby. And second his qualification, she drinks the blood. Rudhirasana. So Putana, she told brother Kamsa, why are you worried? Don't worry. I am here. I will go Vrindavan. I will kill Krishna. Why not? Then Kamsa told Putana, you are so sweet, so beautiful. How possible? You will enter in Vrindavan. I think, and you cannot buy your shoes in the market. Why? Because Putana's body is big, so feet is also very big. So your size shoes, where will you get? What number your shoes size? 6, 5, 9, 10. Every shoes back that 9. Yeah? 5 number or 6 number. You see the shoes in back.
Yeah.
But Putana's feet is what? Very big. Maybe need your 50 or 60. but not possible. Not only this, oh Putana, how you are very beautiful, slender. Slender, those ladies, what is called, hips are very skinny. That is called slender body. That means you are very fat. Our scriptures also explain, I will not tell to you, you will be upset. 5 types of male or 5 types, 4 types of male or 4 types of female. You know this?
No.
Then you will be apply yourself.
No.
Then you will tell Maharaj.
You never told about that.
If I tell you will be upset. Today maybe Maharaj is saying to me, actually I am not saying, actually this is Shastra saying. 5 types of male and 5 types of, no, 4 types of male and 4 types of female. This thing. Understand? Okay. 4 types of female, 4 types of female, that is what Sanskrit Padmini. First is called Padmini, Sankhini, Hastini, another. Just a lot of things they forget. First is called Padmini. Padmini means those ladies are very beautiful and attractive. Their faces are like moon, very, what is called? What is called?
Symmetric.
Subtle, Golakriti, subtle face. Understand? As like moon, for the Chandramukhi. Chandramukhi means one's face as like moon. So that's a symptom. Those who are Padmini ladies, female, their first symptom, their face is as like moon. Very nice and beautiful and shining. This thing. Understand this? And their eyes are very nice, very long eyes. Very long eyes. That is called Patal, Chera, Ankh. Their eyes is very beautiful and long, coming to unto his end of ears. This eyes is there. Very nice, beautiful. Nose very nice, beautiful straight. Sudirgha, Nasika. But the nose tail are very small. That is a nose tail. You understand?
Nostril.
What is called?
Nostril.
Nose. Very small. Kudra. Nasika randhra. Sanskrit word. Kudra. Nasika randhra. Their nostril very small, not big. Very beautiful and attractive. Then we apply yourself, I will take too much. Go ahead. Then who are you?
Puta.
Okay, no need for sure.
Ah.
This is not our standard.
Hastini, elephant.
Huh?
No problem, you curious.
You read Shastra. You read the commentary of Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad.
Chitrani, the other.
Huh? Chitrani.
The second.
Padmini,
Chitrani, Shankini,
Hastini. Padmini, Chitrani,
Shankini,
Sankhini, and
Hastini.
Hastini.
Yeah.
And Hastini is very... Go internet, you find out. Okay, you read it.
Ele é a parte
Deixa ele voltar.
What's the problem?
Subject.
You are Shastra.
The problem is that I will speak Harikatha. This is not our subject. Only just comfort, coming somewhat speaking.
Okay. No problem, okay.
Because actually this is Ishwar. Why saying this is Ishwar? Because gopis, they are Padmini. All the good qualifications of the gopis. In this material world, any lady is not possible. Padmini, Padmagandha. And their bodies are very sweet smell coming, as like the smell of the blossom lotus. Padmagandha. Padmini, Padmagandha. They speak very sweet words. And their lips very beautiful and attractive. And their eyes as like long eyes. This thing. Because good qualification. Nayam Srungu Unitantardi Pasadita Sarjasita Lunaganda Jukutonna Rasot Savasa Bhujadanda Grito Kanta. Sukdev Goswami Path told us this. How is it beautiful they are. Actually, this type of lady, Padmini, only apply for gopis. Padmagandha. Padmagandha means sweet fragrance of lotus coming from their body. Understand? When they walk, just touch their feet on the earth, automatically one kinds of flowers, the Bakul Puspa flowers, blossom. And sweet fragrance automatically come. Padmini, Padmagandha. This is that. Are Hastini? No need to tell. Putana. Okay. So Putana, so Kamsa, that means Kamsa, what is called? Another way glorified to Putana. Hey Putana, how are you beautiful? Your legs, your, what is called? Waist, these things. But Putana, she told, oh my brother, Kamsa, don't worry. According to my mystic power, I can manifest very nice, beautiful Padmini ladies. Padmini lady explained, this is good. All the good activities, very nice. And also a long hair. Sudirgha Kesodam. Sudirgha means very long hair. Those who are Padmini ladies, their hair is also going down under the knee. Understand? Very nice. So, Putana, she told my brother, Kamsa, don't worry, I can manifest very nice, beautiful and handsome young lady, as like Padmini lady. Then I will go and I will put I will smear the poison, deadly snake poison on my breast. Then I will feed to Krishna, then Krishna will die. It's simple. Then Kamsa told, okay. Then Putana, she came in Braj. But that day is very nice. That was going a very nice, beautiful celebration, Utsav. What celebration? What do you remember? Shasti Puja. 7 days birth. 6 days birth, the baby. That is your Vedic culture. When your baby take birth, after 6 days, you have to perform one celebration. That is called Shasti Puja. Utsav. And so many Brajavasis, they are coming and they also celebrating and offering flowers, fruits and giving and blessing and doing kirtan is going on this way. Then Putana, she thinking, how will I enter in that the celebration place, Utsav? Then Putana, she, with her mystic power, she manifested very nice, beautiful and young lady. And very nice, beautiful eyes. This is not her origin form. Understand? That time was not beauty parlor. That time coming from, she knows what things? Mystic power. And for this regard, she manifested. Very nice, beautiful power. And very nice, beautiful, putting something on his cheeks. Completely her reddish color and glittering. Understand this? And she also hold one lotus in her hand, as like Lakshmi Devi. Understand? And she is very proud of her beauty also. As like Radhaji Katha, Madan Madadi Jayune Pramadamana Mandite Priyanuraga Ranjite Kalabilasa Pandite Ananadhanna Kunja Rajya Kama Peri Kavide Dadakari Satyamam Kripakatacha Bhajam. Radha Kripakatacha. In the same way, Putana, she is very proud for her youthful form. And always looking, oh, how is it? You think everybody are useless. I am Miss Universe. And she put her here and this side and across her chest going this way. Long hair I told her. Understand? This is also another kind of art. Self-art. Understand? She put her long hair and putting this way and going chest, cross the chest and going this way. And holding one also lotus. She did not look to anyone because she is proud. You think all this person, these are stool and Papa will move the stool first. Stool, all your stool. I am very beauty. So how possible look to you? So for this regard, she did not give attention to others person. She is proud. So she is very proud of her beauty. And hold the lotus. One lotus, she hold her as it looks. And sometimes they also are many kinds of ladies activities, No need to speak too much. So, then all the gopis will notice, well, who is coming here? Must be she is not ordinary lady, must be she has come from Vaikuntha Dham. Because we have never seen this type of beautiful young lady in our Braj. Must be she has come from where? Lakshmi. Maybe many demigods, they are coming from heavenly planet and manifested in the form of human being. Because Nanda Maharaj son Krishna. So they are coming from giving blessing to Krishna. Brajvasi, Braj young girls, they are bringing water pot on their head, how do you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you go Braj, then you can see. Understand? And you can hold one pot in your hand, then you feel in our Brajamandala, Giriraj Govardhan Giriraj Annakot Prasad, when they are bringing, then all Prasad, they are eating. Understand?
Yeah.
Taking the, why? What is too much heavy? It is become here too. Do you understand? So now coming to the Braj Gopis, they went saw Putana, very beautiful form. Then they completely stunned. Who is she? We have never seen this beautiful young girl. Must be she has come from heaven or Vaikuntha, Lakshmi Devi. Must be. And all they completely stunned. then one stop, then another stop, then cross their what? Eh? But Putana, she is not looking to it. Maybe she is chewing the betel nut. Understand? As like cinema artist. And Hollywood cinema artist. So no one stopped to her also. She direct, but she is very bold. She direct, straight. She enter in the room where Krishna is taking rest. But by Yogmaya, arrange these things. And that time, Mother Rohini Devi and Mother Yashoda, they also left that the room. Then now Krishna, baby Krishna, only one. Actually, Yogmaya, she arranged these things. No one in the room of baby Krishna. 6 days, baby Krishna room. Mother Yashoda or Rohini Devi went out some thing, others room. And Putana, she direct entered in the room of Krishna. Govinda Lila Dhari Lila Purushottam. Krishna is thinking, I am part of my Lila. Then, baby Krishna, 6 days baby Krishna, when he first saw Putana, then Krishna closed his eyes. But why Krishna closed his eyes? Many people also saying many is purport, many is the actual. Human being Leela, maybe different Vaishnavas saying, oh, Putana, she is unknown lady. Generally, baby looking the unknown person, then afraid or close eyes. Another thing Krishna is thinking, oh, Putana has come. Hey, Putana, you have come? Don't worry. Remembering, oh, you are the daughter of Bali Maharaj. Bali Maharaj daughter, what is her name? What is her name? Ratnavali. When Bamandev came in the Jagasthali of Bali Maharaj, and that time when Bamandev arrived, that time Bali Maharaj, he asked to Bamandev. Bamandev means very soft, very small, maybe 6 inches, very small, very small. Bali Maharaj asked to Bamandev, what do you want? Then Bamandev Bhagavan, he told, I am Brahman boy, I have no greed, nothing. Just need 3 steps land. Brahman boy, isn't it? But that land I have to measurement with my own leg, feet. Smaller, maybe 1 inch is leg. So that means 3 inch land I have need. Then Bali Maharaj laughed and joked. But Bali Maharaj, when he took Atman and that time he manifested Trivikram form. So Bali Maharaj's daughter Ratnavali, she noticed. First he saw Bamandev, very nice, beautiful, attractive, brahmachari. Then automatically she is thinking, oh, how is beautiful this baby. If he will my baby, I will feed my breast. Just she is thinking in her mind. Then Krishna Bhagavan, Bamandev Bhagavan, that is called Bancha Kalpataru. Bancha means desire. Lord, he is called the Bancha Kalpataru, desire tree. What your desire will come, Lord will fulfill all your desires. So, Ratnavali's first desire is coming. If this boy, baby will come, my son, I will have to feed my breast. That time Bamandev Bhagavan in his mind told, okay, I will fulfill your desire. But when Vamandev took her father all property, manifested Trivikram form, that time Ratnavali she become very angry. Oh, how this cheat boy? He took my father's everything. He's big cheater. Okay, I will kill her, kill him, and smear the poison of my breast. Then I will kill her. Then Krishna, then Vamandev Bhagavan is thinking, I am Bhagavan, you cannot kill to me, but I must sacred breast. Balavindavan Vihari Lal. Now Krishna is thinking, same Bali Maharaj's daughter, Ratnavali, coming in the form of Putana. This thing. So, Krishna is thinking, okay, hey Putana, I must sacred breast, but you cannot kill to me because I am Bhagavan. I am Bhagavan, you cannot kill to me. But I have to fulfill this. So Putana, by force, took Krishna on her lap and tried to feed her breast. But just Krishna, 6 days baby Krishna, touched her breast, then took her life air. Putana feeling some pain. And Putana first was thinking, how to throw Krishna from my breast, but not possible. And so much power in her hand. And as like 10,000 elephants and power on her hand, but she could not took out Krishna from her breast. Then Putana, she manifested her origin form. Understand? What is your origin form? Asura.
Ugly.
Origin form. Then she also fly in the sky and thinking, maybe I'll go Mathura, maybe Kamsa and all his associates help me. So Putana, she was flying in the sky. And big storm came. When Putana, she flew in the sky, big storm. And so much sand. And then all Brajavati came, what happened? They said, oh, one big demon is flying on the sky. So where is Krishna? Krishna is not in the room. Then Mother Yashoda, she completely fainted. Or any Devi, anyhow, pacified to her. And all the Brajavasis, they also are running and looking to that the Asura who is flying the sky. But when Putana, she came very close to Mathura, then she could not tolerate the pain of her breast. Then she fell down in the garden of Kamsa and she left her body. So as soon as Brajavasi they came and saw Putana's very huge, gigantic body. But they saw Krishna very calm and quiet and gently playing on the chest of Putana. That time Brajavasis, they also brought one, what is called ladder. You know ladder? And also come on the top of the chest of the Putana and took and offered to Rohini Devi offered to Mother Yashoda. The Krishna now completely saved. Putana left his body. Big, huge body, gigantic body. Then Brajavasis, they cut her the huge body with the small piece. But one thing happened. When they put the fire, the body of Putana, then sweet smell coming. As like the smell of chandan, sandalwood smell comes. But how possible? Putana she drank blood. Before it was, she was very bad smelling lady. Bad smell from her bed. But when Brajavasi put fire on her body, understand, not one place, because her body is big, gigantic body. She cut small pieces and they cut some.
No blood, Gurudev, no blood when they cut.
I was not there, you are not there. You are coming. And then to put the fire, sweet smell coming. And whole Braj completely smoke with the agarbatti. Agarbatti, understand? Sandalwood, incense. And person, if you would there, maybe you will take all her body and put your house and put every day one piece and put fire and smell something. So coming in this way, Brajavasis, they become very surprised. Putana, she was very ugly and bad smelling. But when put fire, then very nice and sandalwood smoke coming. Why? Because Krishna, Adhamrita, because Krishna touched her lips on the breast of Putana. For this regard, Putana's body completely purified and sweet smell. All her bad smell. Not only this is external, but her Atma, and she attained to Golok and the maidservant of Mother Yashoda. So what this is? Aho bakiyam stana kala kutam dighansa pasadi levidatu tatu annam kamba dayalum saranam brajema kamba dayalum saranam brajemam kamba dayalum saranam brajemam kamba dayalum saranam brajemam. Aho bakiyam stanakala kutam jighansa pasadu levere dhatruchitam tato annam. Here, Srimad Bhagavatam Sukhdev Goswami Pad told. Many sadhu, rishis, munis, they are performing bhajan and sadhana, following many rules and regulations, performing hard austerities, but not so easy to get the liberation mukti. If you get liberation, but not so easy to attain Vaikuntha Dham also. Maybe you can attain Vaikuntha, but not so easy to attain Ajodhya. Maybe you can attain to Ajodhya, very difficult to attain Dwarikapuri. Maybe you can go to Dwarika, not so easy to attain Mathura. Maybe you can go Mathura, very difficult to go Golok. But Putana, in her life, she did not perform any bhajan and sadhana. Putana Bhagadhatini Rudirasana. Putana, she killed the baby, small babies, and sucking baby's blood. How possible Krishna sent her in Golok and the maidservant mother Yashoda? This is called Krishna's magnanimity. Udaratha. What? Saying, Aho bakiyam stana kala kutam. Aho bakiyam stana kala kutam. Vidam syapasari levedam vedam tato vannam. Kamba dayalum saranam brajemam. Kamba dayalum saranam. Who does not want to take shelter of lotus feet of Krishna? how Krishna is merciful and wonderful. Kamba Dayalu. Who is Dayalu? So much merciful. More than Krishna. No one. So why people they are not taking shelter from Krishna? They are going to another demigod and demigoddess. Why they worship another demigod and demigoddess? Understand? People they worship Kali, Shiv, Durga, Ganesh. Kali, Shiv, Durga, Ganesh, they will not give liberation, they will not give also. Any demigoddess, they have no power also to give the mukti. People they put the word Ganesh. And Ganesh will not give anything to you also. Actually Ganesh Siddhidata. Ganesh gives mystic power. Actually Ganesh has no independently power, Satantra Shakti to give to anything. Ganesh give this Siddhi, everything taking from Lord Vishnu. Brahma Samhita also explains this. If you read Brahma Samhita, you understand. How the people they are foolish. Are we served to Krishna? Krishna will give everything. Why you worship demigod and demigoddess? Try to understand this if you like. Any demigod, demigoddess, they have no independently power, Shakti, Satantra Shakti, to give to you anything else. They are taking from Lord Vishnu, taking from Lord Krishna, to giving to you. And another thing, you worship one demigod, then another demigod will be angry. Do you understand? You worship Shiv and you not worship Durga, then Durga Shiv will be angry. You worship Ganesh, not worship Lakshmi. Yeah, Lakshmi, Dhanadatri Lakshmi, she will be angry. You cannot serve to the all demigod demigods. Possible. And if you not want demigod to serve another demigod, they will be angry. What they say? Who can please to everybody? Who can't to please nobody. You are thinking I will please to everybody. Impossible. But if you please to Krishna, if Krishna will please, then everybody will please. Mulete sanchile jal sakha pallavir bal. If you put the water in the root of the trees, then automatically all branches, leaves, everything will be nourishment. In the same way, if you worship to Lord Vishnu, Krishna, yeah, Vishnu means Krishna, then all demigods, they will be happy. So for this our scriptures explain. Krishna says, I am the Supreme, Madhbhakto Madhyaji Mang Namaskuru. Janti Devaprata Devana Pitri Jantri Pitripata Bhutani Janti Bhutejja Madhyaji Lokima. Those who worship Bhutas, they will go Bhuta Loka, Ghost Loka. Janti Devaprata Devana. Those who worship demigod, they will go demigod is Sarga Loka. But one who worship to me, he will achieve my abode. Or my abode is Dham. Jagatvano nivartante taddhamam paramam mama. If we attain abode to Lord, again will not come in this material world. You cannot please to any demigoddess. If you worship one demigod, then another demigod will be angry. What will do? So you worship to Krishna. Govinda Seva. Bhaja Bhude Mano Sri Nanda Nandana Abhaya Charana Bhaja Bhude Mano Sri Nanda worship Devi Durga. But Devi Durga, she also told, hey Govinda, you serve to Govinda. Govinda iti Govinda, who gives the pleasure all our senses. His name is called Govinda. So Bhaja Hure Mana, Srinanda Nandana, Abhaya Charana Ravindari. Krishna's lotus feet is called the Abhay Charan. Abhay Charan means one's feet is called completely what? Fearless. You surrender to Lord Govinda. Govinda Bhajan. So the Bhaja Hure Mana, Srinanda Nandana, Abhaya Charana Ravindari. So now the Aho Bhakiyam Stanakala Putam. Jigansa Pasadi Tatu Onna. Come by Dayalu Sarnam Bhajan. Putana she did not perform bhajan inside. Nothing. Just she disguised in the form of motherhood form. Matri Bhav. And that is what? Duplicity and hypocrisy. Not okay. She came in Braj just to try to give to Krishna. But Krishna killed her Putana Sharir. Krishna killed her Putana Sharir, Asur Sharir. But his Atma Sharir, Krishna said her Atma Sharir transcendental Sharir in Golok, and the maids of the mother Jashoda. So how Krishna is wonderful and merciful. In this way, Sukadeva Goswami Pad very nicely glorified about Putana Mokshan Lila. How Krishna deliverance Putana Mokshan Lila Katha. Then also talk many Krishna's statement, many Lila Kathas. Understand? Maybe evening will be discussed. And also here one Katha I also just finished. Krishna took birth in Braj. And Brajvasis, they also celebrate very nice Krishna's Janma Mahotsav. All Brajvasis completely what? Intoxicated. Krishna's Janma Mahotsav. Nanda Maharaj, he completely what? Intoxicated with her happy birthday of Krishna. He gave everything. He gave donation to everything. And all of Brajavasis, they are very happy. Nanda ko ananda bhayo, jai kanaiya lal ki, hati dilo, ghoda dilo, aar dilo, pal ki. Nanda ko ananda bhayo. Here Brajavasis saying Nanda Maharaj, son has come, they not use this word. What do you use? Ananda bhayo. Because Krishna is the embodiment of bliss. They did not say, dear Nanda Maharaj, son Krishna has come. They use this word, Hindi word, Nanda ko ananda bhayo. Jai Kanaiya. Because Krishna is the embodiment of bliss, ananda. One who just take darshan to Krishna, automatically so much bliss, happiness comes. Ananda. So say, Nanda ko ananda bhayo, jai Kanaiya lal ki, hati dilo, ghoda dilo, aar dilo, pal ki. Nanda Maharaj, he gave donation to everybody. Those who are old men, then Nanda Maharaj gave donation to them. Palanku. Well, old men cannot speak. They can sit on the palanku. So they give them palki, Nandakana. Those who are young boy, young girl, give to him. Very nice horse. If you are young, then you can sit on the back of the horse and chuck, 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 chuck. Young boy, young girl, they like his what? Sit on the back of horse. They not ride on the horse. Understand? The horse also galloping, understand? And zoom, zoom. Understand? Who ride on the horse of the? Who ride on the horse? You ride on?
Yeah, with my family a long time ago. Countryside.
Oh, you also?
Just
You?
one.
Where?
Lavagokul.
Huh? Now only you are the Jew.
Yeah, just
Huh? No. Some person, many also rich person, they have also horse. Huh? They seated on the back of the horse. Huh? Huh? You don't know that the what is called rhythm. Then you will fall down from the back of the horse also.
it's dangerous.
Huh? Very dangerous.
Yes.
Understand? You sit and how to drive the horse and hold the what is called rein. Huh? Understand? And especially when horse jumping, galloping. Huh? 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 That time very dangerous. Not if you don't know how to drive the reins of the horse, then you will be direct will go to heaven. That means you will die. You fell down. Horse will die. So Nanda Maharaj, he gave donation horse to the young boy, young girl. They can sit. And he also gave donation an elephant. Elephant to whom? Those are little bit aged person. They cannot sit. Those who are over 50 or 60. Okay, they can sit on the back of elephant. Or old person, 80, 90 years old, they can sit on the palki. So the Nanda ki, Ananda bhayo jai kanaiya lal ki, hati dilo, ghoda dilo, aar dilo, palki. Different people. Nanda Maharaj. And he also distributed many kinds of prasadam. Nanda Maharaj, he gave laddu to whom? Young boys, those who are strong teeth and bite. Understand? If you go Vrindavan, the laddu, some laddu is very hard. Understand? If your teeth is not strong, maybe your teeth will become break. Bite. Laddu. And those who are old men, no teeth, then give them what they are. Halwa. Who will eat halwa? Old person, those who have no teeth, then they can get what prasad, what sweet? Well, Maharaj, very sweet. Well, what sweet? Halwa. Halwa I am not there. Laddu kachori. Who will eat halwa? Those who have no teeth. Okay, good. Rasmalai, many kinds. Whose stomach is very strong can eat which sweet? Rasmalai. Rasmalai, you ate rasmalai? Sun papri, rasmalai, many kinds of kachun. If you go Braj, many kinds of sweet. So Nanda Maharaj, very happy. But Narad Rishi is thinking, Krishna took birth in Braj, must be his Shakti. Pertains to Srimati Radhika, she took birth. Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukdev Goswami Pad, indirectly also mentioned Srimati Radhika, she took birth in Braj. Then Narad Rishi is searching, where is Srimati Radhika? Shakti Man or Abheda. Krishna is called Shakti Man. As Srimati Radhika, she is Shakti. Shakti Man, Abheda. There is no difference between Shakti and Shakti Man. So Krishna took birth in Braj, Gokula. Must be Srimati Radhika. She, then Narad Rishi traveled. Then Narad Rishi came in a rabble. This katha will be speak in evening class. Now, time is over. 2:50. Palo Radha Rani ki jai, Radha Rani Mahotsav ki jai, Palo Radhe 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 Adi. राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे राधे So after prasad, I will everybody to also prepare many kinds of preparation for this Giriraj Govardhan puja. And if you offer anything to Giriraj Govardhan Annakut, Gurudev told one piece of rice, then your life you will never suffer any kinds of rice. So you prepare anything, fruits, rice, sabji, any kinds of thing. You can prepare and bring it. And we will very nicely also do Annakut Mahotsav, as like Vrindavan, Giriraj, Govardhan, many plates also we have. Everybody put on your head and do parikrama and coming in here and do Giriraj Govardhan Arati. So after taking prasad, you have to prepare different kinds of preparation. At least one preparation you have to prepare yourself. Do you understand or not?
Yes.
Então hoje, por favor, todos os devotos depois da praçada devem preparar, fazer alguma preparação, alguma comida, né, com as suas próprias mãos. Cada pessoa tem que pelo menos fazer uma preparação de comida para oferecer aqui para Giriraj, porque o Gurudeva falou que se a pessoa oferecer um grão que seja de arroz para Giriraj Maharaj nesse dia do Annakut, enfim, o que vai acontecer, nunca vai faltar comida para ela em nenhuma vida. Então a gente vai fazer hoje um belíssimo festival aqui, que nem em Vrindavana, que tem esse festival. Então a gente vai fazer, todo mundo cozinha, então várias coisas, preparações, arroz, sabji, o que for, frutas e tudo. E aí a gente faz aqui, vai oferecer para Giriraj, depois tem prato e aí a gente vai botar nos pratos, todo mundo vai carregar na cabeça, a gente vai levar fazer o parikrama de Giriraj e na volta vai também fazer o arati.
And make garlands, flowers and Abhishek Giriraj Govardhan also.
Então façam flores
As
também.
like Gurudev, remember how Gurudev he performed the Giriraj Mahotsav. Something will do, something better than nothing.
Então vamos fazer também flores, guirlandas, né? E vai também ter uma bicheca de Giriraj Govardhana, um banho muito bonito. Então a gente está fazendo se lembrando de Gurudeva, da mesma forma que Gurudeva
Oi,
fazia.
Raghunandan, I come here.
Raghunandan, vou te chamar.
Jasamati Nandan.
Então como Gurudeva fazia, a gente também faz se lembrando de Gurudeva.
Tinha falado do encontro que Nanda Baba foi pagar os impostos para câncer. Como que foi o...
How was the meeting between Nanda Maharaj and Kamsa when he went to pay the tax?
Okay, later you tell.
Você vai falar.
Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Hari Jasamati Nandan.